Hey, what is up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you haven't been here before. Today I wanted to do a little bit of a thrift haul slash lookbook, so how to style the pieces that I got. Because it has been locked down, there hasn't been much chance for thrifting, but the stores have just opened back up. I have gotten a few pretty cool pieces from a couple of different thrift stores, and so I wanted to do another lookbook today because they're my favorite types of videos to make: fashion, styling, that kind of thing. That's really what I want to focus on this channel, and so I thought it would be pretty cool to show you a couple of pieces that I got and show you how I style them and do a bit of a lookbook for you guys. So I think most of this video will be just me showing you the outfits, and I'll put information on the screen and that sort of thing. Obviously I can't tell you exactly where to get them because they're all thrifted and vintage, but these are my favorite videos to make, so if you do enjoy it, please like, please comment, and please subscribe if you haven't already. I really love making these videos, so I hope you enjoy. Welcome to the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed all of my thrifted outfits and how I style them, the little lookbook that we did there. But I hope you enjoyed all of the outfits and all of the items that I got from the thrift store. I really love thrifting. I think it's a great way to get some awesome pieces for your wardrobe for a much cheaper price, and you're also not hurting the environment because you're recycling clothes essentially. I'm hoping to do some thrift vlogs and everything once London is a little bit more open with the lockdown and more thrift stores are open, so definitely stay tuned for that. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and a comment down below, and if you haven't subscribed already, it would be great if you could do so. I would really appreciate it. Have a lovely day.